This video will show you how you can make your own HEPA air purifier to keep indoor air clean during wildfire smoke events. You will need to buy 3 things. You will need duct tape or some sort of heavy-duty tape, a 20 by 20 inch air filter, numerical rating 13 or higher, and a 20 by 20 inch box fan. To assemble the device, do the following. Check the filter for the direction of the airflow, which will be marked on the sides of the filter. Duct tape the air filter to the back of the box fan, which creates the best seal. When using the device, consider putting it in a room where you spend a lot of time, like a bedroom or main living space. Make sure to close and seal windows and doors to prevent smoke from coming inside. This is often referred to as creating a clean air room in your home. To maintain the device, disassemble it as needed to wipe away any accumulated dirt. Make sure to replace the filter more frequently during wildfire season. Keep these safety tips in mind when using this device. Use a box fan from 2012 or newer due to added safety features. Don't leave the device unattended, including while you are sleeping. When the fan is modified like this, it should be used as an air cleaner, not as a fan to cool your home. For more information from Santa Barbara County Air Pollution Control District, visit ourair.org.